I'm Mark Tilley from Dirtbike Magazine. Today we're out here riding the 2014 KTM 350 SXF. The 2014 KTM 350 SXF does not have massive changes. Those came in 2013. The engine was essentially redesigned from scratch with a more compact electric starter and the kickstarter completely removed, so it was electric start only. It got new die-cast center cases. The head was redesigned and with reshaped ports. The intake valve springs were stiffer and got new retainers that allowed an increase in RPM limit from 13,000 to 13,400. The increased revs could also be traced to the new crank that was lighter. Not only did the engine rev higher, it had more torque and more peak horsepower. With all the hard work done, KTM concentrated on finishing touches for 2014. Look for the complete test on the 2014 KTM 350 SXF in the August issue of Dirtbike Magazine or at dirtbikemagazine.com.